In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on Patreon. You'll learn how to create a regular account to support other users, and you'll also learn how to create a Patreon account to earn money. First, you need to create a regular account on the Patreon website. Click on the top button Get Started. You can sign up and log in with your Google account, Apple or Facebook. But I recommend entering an email and signing up for an account. After that, enter a name. It will not appear on your Patreon page. And come up with a password. Click Continue and come up with a name for your Patreon page. This name will be visible to other users. You can connect social networks to your page, but you can do it later. Registration has been completed successfully, but in order to be able to use all the features of Patreon, you need to verify your email. A confirmation email will be sent to your email. Once you've verified your email, you'll be able to use your regular account for your subscriptions. You'll also be able to switch to a creator account, where you can earn money by creating content. To get started, I'll show you a regular account and show you how to follow other content creators. You need to enter what you are interested in the search or choose from a category, for example, games. After that, you'll see a list of content creators for that category. Some users can be subscribed to for free, but a paid subscription comes with more benefits. To connect a paid subscription, you need to pay for it by credit card or via PayPal. After that, the payment will be charged automatically at the beginning of the month. But you will get access to the exclusive bonuses that the author offers. To disable a paid subscription, you need to select the membership section and then select Cancel Membership. You can also find this section in the settings and unsubscribe from the author. Alternatively, you can completely delete the payment data in the Payment Methods section. If your goal is to make money, then you need to switch to a content creator account and then set it up. To get the first subscriptions, you need to improve your account a little. No one will subscribe to an empty account. You also need to create content so that subscribers get something in exchange for a paid subscription. For example, you can make some tutorial videos, or use your skills and what you're good at doing. In this way, you will be able to attract an audience. Once the content is published, you will be able to set up payment and bonuses for subscribers. Some content creators make more than $5,000 a month on Patreon just by doing what they love. For example, creating games, making videos or drawings in Photoshop. This Patreon platform is open to everyone and to your possibilities. Therefore, if you know how to do something, you can make money online. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.